Good day mga kabangers, may tanggap tayo ngayon ng Asus gaming laptop na currently 4GB ang RAM niya. Upgrade natin to, additional 8GB, total of 12GB na RAM, and yung hard drive niya, upgrade natin to SSD. Ayan. Kailangan natin na baklasin yung buong laptop, yung likuran, yung back cover niya. So this video pala is not instructional video, so ito ay for content lang namin, and also para makita ng mga clients kung paano namin ginagawa yung mga unit, and also for promotional din. Ayan, so tanggal natin yung lahat ng parts kasi nasa ilalim ng motherboard yung RAM at yung slot ng SSD. So yan, we are using now M.2 NVMe SSD 256GB, and ayun, RAM pala yung nilagay natin, additional 8GB na RAM, at ito yung SSD. Ayan, ito yung SSD 256 and 8GB na RAM, total of 12GB na RAM and 256 of SSD. Then assemble na natin yung laptop. Bago pala yun, linis pa tayo ng fan, heatsink, and assemble. So disassemble na ng screen, tanggal ng screen, then kabit ng bagong screen, assemble. Ayan. And then after nito, install tayo ng